Hi, it's Shandy Autry. Great things are happening in the 1 Minute Kitchen. Whether it's chicken fajitas or beef fajitas, the magic is in the marinade. Here's what you'll need. Beautiful veggies like sliced green, red, orange, yellow, and poblano peppers, and sliced onion. For the protein, chicken breast or thighs, or a tender steak. For the magic marinade, combine lime juice, olive oil, orange juice, some cumin, salt, and pepper. Whisk it well, and then pour the marinade into a zippered bag with the beef or the chicken and get it nice and coated. Refrigerate for a couple of hours. Then saute the peppers and onions until soft. When the protein is marinated, add the chicken to a hot skillet. Do the same with the beef and cook until browned. Now slice the chicken in strips and slice the beef against the grain. And now you're ready to assemble with all of your favorite fixins like salsa, avocados, cheese, sour cream, and cilantro. Savory fajitas, a favorite of the Southwest. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.